Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the damaged metal snap to learn how it failed. You need that before doing anything. Grab pliers and awl, a small anvil or hard surface, a hammer, and the correct replacement snap or setting kit. Once done, remove any loose fragments with the awl and gently pry the socket off with pliers without enlarging the hole, because preserving fabric keeps your repair strong. Make sure to note which side is male versus female so you reinstall correctly. Now you remove the remaining snap parts and clean the hole. Use gentle prying, and if metal is stubborn, score the rim slightly. You don't want to tear the fabric. Once removed, trim frayed threads and press a small patch or fusible interfacing behind the hole to reinforce thin material. Then align the replacement snap pieces through the fabric, confirming orientation and fit. Test press by hand so you know exactly where the tool contacts before you set it. To finish, place the male and female parts on the anvil and use controlled hammer taps or a snap press to crimp them together. Short, even strikes prevent bending. Once set, verify alignment and test several open-close cycles. If the snap feels loose, add a larger backing or thicker patch and recrimp. If it puckers, enlarge the hole slightly or switch to a shank-style snap to reduce tension. If you still see movement, replace both halves and reinforce the area before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.